So today we're gonna do 5 quick tips to traveling in a car in under, I'm gonna aim for, how about we do 3 minutes? No, yeah, 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 5 tips. Let's go. Hack slash tip I have is taking these bungee cords. You can buy them pretty cheap at most hardware stores, and taking it between these 2 handles, 1 and 2. So this way you can hang stuff on it, or you can use it as a line while your dog's in the back of the car while you're traveling so they can't go anywhere. My next tip is this whole thing. So I built this just out of some scrap plywood and 2x4s that I found. As you see, I have another bungee, but this drawer right here stores everything of my dog's, including her first aid kit, a backpack full of all of her paperwork, an extra leash, 2 extra leashes, and the most important thing for any dog parent, poop bags. I also connected this, have an extra collar with a name tag on it. I don't want to give away my phone number, and then her rabies tags and stuff like that, along with her little microchip card. And this can store all my gear, and then that over there is my toolbox for the car, and then I keep everything on top of it. It keeps it nice and organized, and I've driven around with this forever and nothing has come out. So if you got an SUV, build one of these. Again, this is just scrap wood, real easy to do, suggest it highly. So this is the next thing. This hack slash tip slash tricks of traveling with a dog. Tip number 3 is buying one of these. This is a Kurgo poop bag holder for the back of your car. It's really soft and plasticky, so if you need to, for some reason, you could crunch it up and put it in the back of your car, but it just sticks with high-powered magnets on the back of it, and it works perfectly. I've had multiple poop bags in there. Tip number 4 is that, which is a trash can made out of a cat food dispenser, and just buy some Velcro for either side. This is outdoor high strength Velcro. I bought it at Home Depot for pretty cheap. It keeps it up off the ground so you can put your feet under it still. It holds a decent amount. I can see I went to Dunkin' Donuts and has a bunch in there. Perfect for when you have a dog and you want to give them treats or something, you want to throw it away, or you can also store food in there for them. It's airtight. It's got the sealing, as you see, the seal on both. Sealing up there. It's perfect. You can put it like a plastic bag in there and keep it for later. Awesome. Tip number 5 is this, which is a old retired climbing carabiner that locks. And the reason it's tip number 5, for a car, right here on your door, hook a leash there, perfectly fine. You go back to this line, hook it up there, it's perfect. Basically anywhere on the Jeep that it fits, not there apparently, but anywhere on the Jeep that this thing can fit, you can hook your dog to and keep them safe while at the campground. So tip number 5 is picking up one of these guys. There it is. 5 tips in under 3 minutes of how to travel with a dog. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Goodbye.